Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of needles. Despite their small size, needles play a crucial role in our daily lives and have a variety of important uses. Sewing needles. Hand sewing needles. These needles are used for hand stitching and come in different lengths and thicknesses, suitable for various fabrics. Machine needles. Designed for sewing machines, these needles are essential for creating strong, consistent stitches in garments and other fabric projects. Medical needles. Syringe needles. Used for injections and drawing blood, these needles are crucial in healthcare for administering medications and vaccinations. Surgical needles. These needles are used in suturing during surgeries and come in various shapes to accommodate different types of tissues and procedures. Knitting needles. Straight needles, used in pairs for traditional knitting projects, such as scarves and sweaters. Circular needles. These needles have a flexible cable connecting two needle tips, ideal for knitting in the round or large projects like blankets. Specialty needles. Embroidery needles. These needles have a larger eye to accommodate thicker embroidery threads and are used for decorative stitching. Quilting needles. Designed for quilting, these needles are shorter and stronger, making it easier to stitch through multiple layers of fabric. Medical procedures. In the medical field, needles are indispensable. They are used for everything from vaccinations and blood tests to administering medications and performing surgeries. Their precise design ensures minimal discomfort and maximum efficiency. Crafting and hobbies. Needles play a significant role in various crafting hobbies. Knitting, crocheting, embroidery, and quilting all rely on different types of needles to bring creative projects to life. These hobbies not only provide a creative outlet, but also produce beautiful, handmade items. Conclusion. And there you have it. From sewing to medical procedures, needles are small but mighty tools that have a significant impact on our daily lives. They help us create, repair, and care for ourselves and others. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into everyday objects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.